So a few months ago, I released a video showing my experiences using the Hello Charcoal Toothpaste, mouthwash, and floss for over 90 days. If you haven't seen that video, make sure you check out the video card or in the description so you can actually get the whole gist of it. Little to my knowledge, I got a random email from the company themselves saying that they liked the video and they would like to send me some few things to try. Let me peel this shit off first, actually. I can't peel it off. Okay. And guess what, guys? We got it. What's going on, guys? If you haven't met before, my name is Johann, and on this channel you'll find some helpful tips and strategies to improve your self-care, as well as product reviews just like this one. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell before I lose my friggin' mind, because I just got some stuff from Hello. But before we actually open up anything, I just want to give a huge special shout out and a thank you to Sarah. If it wasn't for Sarah reaching out to me, I wouldn't be getting shit. So thank you so much, Sarah. I really do appreciate it. And yeah, I'm excited. Never in my life have I ever thought I'll be excited for like oral care stuff, but this is my realm right here, yo. My first unboxing experience on this channel, and I'm very happy to share it with you guys. And I just realized that I don't have anything to cut this thing with. Now I could be a barbaric and rip this open, but I won't do that. I got this. Boy, oh boy. Enough with the shenanigans. 3, 2, 1. Paper! This is it. 3. Yo, what? Your boy got another collection. The hemp seed oil. The hemp seed oil. Extra moisturizing mouthwash. Natural fresh spearmint. With what? With tea tree and coconut oil. So I'm guessing this one is the toothpaste and it comes with fluoride and not fluoride. All right, let me put it this way because content creators put their stuff this way, right? And then they got the floss and they even got the toothbrush. Let me see. Pause. Oh, wow. It smells clean. Of course it smells clean. Come on, Johann. Come on, Johann. You can't be a content creator if you can't do the basics. Bam! And there you have it. All of this hemp glory. The hemp seed oil glory. I just brushed my teeth already using this, actually. The anti-plaque and whitening toothpaste and mouthwash. Currently doing a review on these, but I am brushing my teeth with them daily. That is for another video. So now that I think about this, I feel like I have a very strong Hello addiction. Peep this. Then you got, you cannot forget, oh shit. Now tell me, this is like collecting shoes. Again, I'm not sponsored at all. Look at my teeth. It ain't dirty, it's clean. Hey Sarah, once again, thank you so much for contacting me. I really do appreciate it. I was like, yeah, boy, you already know what time it is. Of course. Let me stop, I wasn't like that. I was very humble. Ooh, because my speaker just fell, boy. You gotta cancel that shit, oh, whoa. You gotta cancel that, all right, cool. If you haven't seen that video, make sure you check out the ink card. Make sure you check out the video link card. The video link card? What the hell is that? A card? Video card.